What's up, beautiful people? I wanted to come and give a talk today over scalp and hair care restoration and what that means. So scalp and hair care restoration is the process of restoring the scalp and the hair to a healthier state. When this client came to me, she was fresh out of locks. She had also been in a different state and climate, which did have an effect on her hair. So we began the restoration process. There was a nice cut at the beginning of her sessions, and each time that she came in, her hair was more manageable. It was softer. There was an increase in shine. She also had increase in fullness and in length, and she's been retaining that length every session. She takes excellent care of her hair at home. So when it came down to her fourth session results, they were amazing. She comes in every 2 weeks for 4 sessions. So this is a span of an 8-week period. And that was her results. Now, me, myself, when I first started, I was more consistent and I was rapping at night and I was doing what I needed to do for my hair. I wasn't as busy at the shop. The busier that I got, the less I started taking care of my hair at home, the more inconsistent I was with detoxing, and I suffered a setback. I was not wrapping my hair at night or any of that, rarely, because I was running. So I decided to do more of a cut to give my hair a fresh start and kind of get rid of a lot of those dead ends that had been sitting on me before. This client, when she came in, we just wanted to see where her length was, wanted to see where the damage was in her hair. Restoring over time helps you to take your time to decide what you want to do. We did a holistic trim in her second session. No real loss to her length. She was longer and she was fuller. Then third session, she decided, you know what, let's do something different, something that looks more intentional. And we went ahead and went through with the cut, and she loves the results of her hair. You can also decide to just continue to trim holistically every 2 weeks as you come in. So this client, this was her before at her first session. This is her after her blowout. Her hair was already better. This is her before and after of her first session. We have yet to give her an actual cut. Each time she comes in, there's a holistic trim of her ends, no loss to her length, and that's from session 1 to session 2. I'm not even supposed to show these results. This is from session 2 to session 3. Her roots are growing out, so there's a difference in color between her roots and the rest of her hair, but you can see it's longer and it's fuller. So scalp and hair care restoration looks different on everybody, but it's the same process for everybody. How consistent you are in the chair and how consistent you are at home in taking care of your hair has a great effect on your results. But even if you went 2 weeks without doing anything to your hair and you just consistently come to the chair every 2 weeks, there's still restoration going on. The hair is better each time that the client comes in. It's softer. Even if we suffer a setback in length, the hair is still soft. It's still more manageable. There's still more shine. There's still more sheen. So the better you take care of your hair at home and help your hair and scalp practitioner to manage the restoration process at home, the better off your results will be. We are with our hair more than we are in the chair. So when it comes to scalp and hair care restoration, it's very important to maintain it at home. This is why I send my clients off with post-session guidelines to help them to be able to care for their hair holistically at home. I give them tools, I give them the products to use, and I give them the routine that they should do nightly in managing and maintaining their holistic hair at home. I hope that this has helped to shed some light over what holistic scalp and hair care restoration is. Going in and doing consistent scalp care helps with the health of the hair, and using holistic options instead of products that are loaded with chemicals makes a difference in the hair as well, and it restores it to a healthier place holistically. I will see you all soon. Have a safe and wonderful holiday. Until next time.